Sport Touring with Dark Effects Package. The Cascada Sport Touring with the Dark Effects Package is an exhilarating way to live life wide open. In addition to the features included on the Sport Touring model, the flat-bottom sport steering wheel, jet black leather interior and alloy sport pedals, the exclusive Dark Effects package includes premium red stitching and piano black trim. These elements all add to the open-air Cascada experience. Top colors. Cascada Premium offers 2 additional top colors to bring more meticulous craftsmanship to its entire open-air experience. The Malbec top brings out a more striking look to its fun convertible driving experience. And when you arrive in the Cascada with Sweet Mocha top, you're sure to make a stylish statement. Overview. Advanced technologies including available built-in OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot capability help keep you connected on the go. Conveniences like the available My Buick app help make life easier by letting you lock, unlock, and remotely start your vehicle. The Buick infotainment system allows you to play your favorite music or make hands-free calls and connect in style with its 7-inch diagonal color touchscreen. And with hands-free turn-by-turn navigation, you'll feel confident wherever you're heading. The 2018 Cascada Luxury Convertible safety features give you the peace of mind to enjoy the open road. Safety features are no substitute for the driver's responsibility to operate the vehicle in a safe manner. The driver should remain attentive to traffic, surroundings and road conditions at all times. Visibility, weather, and road conditions may affect feature performance.